Hello viewers, welcome to our store sttmoney.com. Today we're diving into an exciting unboxing the Touch AirPods. Let's crack open the box and see what we've got. We find the user manual, Touch AirPods, charging cable, extra pair of buds. Next, experience true wireless freedom with Touch AirPods. As you can see the different options on the screen. Let us connect Touch AirPods to iPhone. Turn on the Bluetooth in your device. The device is shown and pair with a 9 Pro. Play songs in your phone. It is displayed on Touch AirPods Pro screen. You can change the songs on the screen. You can pause the songs. Stay connected effortlessly with Touch AirPods. Answer calls, activate voice assistants, and enjoy your music all with a touch. Just tap to play, pause, or skip tracks. Increase the volume using the screen and the volume automatically changes in phone. You can also pair the buds using Android phone. Or turn on the Bluetooth. Or pair with a 9 Pro. As you can play the songs and it is displayed in the screen. You can change the songs for previous song and for next song. Next, open any social media apps. For example, open Instagram, click on the Reels section. You can operate the Reels using touch screen. As you can like the Reels and scroll the Reels. Have a look options are available in AirPods. Successfully, this product is verified by STT Money and it is a trusted choice. Don't forget to share and subscribe for the latest updates. This product is also available at www.sttmoney.com. Thanks for watching. This app is available at Play Store as well as App Store.